Hello everyone, good morning. After a long time now I'm coming on my channel. Today I'm going to describe about the automatic water drinker. Guys, my these birds are 15 weeks old. See, be, at before I have one room where my 1006 were there. Now I separate it because it is last period for the grading. So now this, see, this is partition. Now these chicks, they are weak and low weight chicks. They are in next side. See, now I'm giving focus them for their egg laying time. And now these birds, these chicks, they are energetic, they are strong, and as for the weight, they are good condition. And after, now they are 15 weeks old. After 2 to 3 weeks, they will start to egg laying. So now today I'm going to give you one information about the our labor work. If we have not a modern uh, technology, then it will be difficult to work for the 100 birds also. So feeder, already you know the feeder, it is not automatic and no need to automatic also. And this drinker, it is totally automatic drinker. It is not expensive. See, it should be clean. When our birds, they will drink, when they drink the water, when it finished, then from here water will come automatically. See, when here is a, see, after, later it will be stop. When downstairs this water will be finished, it will come automatically, so that here your labor is safe. No need to come again and again and again. Just you join it on your tank, water tank, which should be 500 1000 liters. So guys, you can use this automatic drinker. It is no more expensive. Thanks.